Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about review writing. So it's important that actually if you write a review for any products, that you write an honest review, especially to promote the product. Don't think just about you. So just think about other people who are reviewing and also reading this, because some people buy the product because of the review actually. So the review plays a main role. So use these ideas and technology for a good thing. So the important thing is actually when you write review. So as I said, buy the product, test the product, and be honest. What is disadvantage, advantage, and what you really like it and what you don't like it. So I'm showing my review about a product called Capwing. It's always writing a blog. It's not so easy. But once you start writing blog, it's going to be easy because it's all practice. It needs time and it's need a real practice. Once you start doing that, you can keep on doing it. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how can you just get an idea about how to write a review. This is complete blog of a complete review about this, but this is completely tested, used, and I bought it, so it's my personal honest review. So one of my subscriber requested how to write a review, and I was thinking about how to do this, so I just created a scenario in make.com. So I would suggest you to use your own recommendation and your own recommendation to tell whether the product is good or not. But you can use AI to write a little bit more your ideas to make it better actually. So this is why I would like to show this make.com scenario. It's a really simple one. So what I did is actually I have a Google Sheet, and in this Google Sheet I created a review writer. So it's going to be intro, benefits and features, my recommendations, advantages, disadvantages, and should you get it. So this is simple actually. As I showed to you, to write a review you have to cover all this information, but you can also add your subtitles, and you can add your more experience, and if you don't like it you can also talk more about your disadvantages. But to get a rough blog or review, so it's simple. What you're going to do is actually you're going to use this Google Sheet and use OpenAI, and to completely use this OpenAI to write the first intro paragraph. So this is where the first intro paragraph is written here. So I'm saying you're an expert SEO copywriter taking the following information into consideration only. Write a brief paragraph describing the introduction of make.com review. So this is a simple prompt. I'm telling OpenAI to write the intro for this review, and then I'm telling the OpenAI to write the next part. So in this next part you can see that advantages, disadvantages. So this is the next part. So I'm asking to write the benefits and features. So and then I'm going to save all this into Google Docs. So this is a simple workflow, and it's really working. It's really interesting. And if you want to test it, just test it. So as I told you, I'm just building a lot of live builds, and I'm also giving you a task so that you can try it on your own. And if you have any question and if you have any doubts, write me or comment below in this video. And if you want any detailed video of this, I'm ready to make this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next day with another task. Thank you so much.